How to write bio in stylish font on Instagram or Facebook. For this, you have to open your Google and search for LingoJam. Now, tap on the first suggestion shown and make sure it has written fancy text generator and tap on it. So on the top half, you have to go ahead and write a text in your normal font. So for an example, I have written something here. So at the bottom, you will see there are a lot of options that you can give it a try. So if you like something here, go ahead and tap on the font and copy it. Once you have copied the font, open your Instagram and tap on Edit Profile. Here, tap on Bio and paste the text you copied and then give it a tick mark. Then, go to your profile and as you can see, your bio is in stylish font. It is the same for your Facebook as well. So make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.